Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for tuning in once again. Right now we are headed to the shop. Let's see what today brings us. Y'all come take a ride along with us. Alright, just took care of our boy JR Fab. He called us and needed some tires. So we went ahead and hooked him up with some Toyo R888s, 225 50 15. This is going on the Hellboy.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Ya traímos zapatos del Hellboy, guys.
Yeah.
Gracias a Elite Wheels and Tires como siempre.
Yes sir. Thank you.
Sir.
Greg, one potato, one corn over here.
Oh, he's on a budget meal right now.
This only is like $7 though.
Trying to stay up on the Ford wheel.
Budget meal, but he'll have new wheels next week.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
You gotta spend money for what you want.
Jojo doesn't even eat because he's buying tires. Man, you're not spoiled. He buys nothing but used tires.
Dude,
Nah,
Tires are tires, man.
That's all his tires.
Fucking right.
Gotta stay hydrated.
We're here at La Rancherita. We're hitting Houston. Jen ordered a couple of tacos. We were in the area, decided to stop by, get a quick bite to eat. Ordered some tacos, homemade food. You got Thea in the back taking care of us. Greg's on his second taco.
Little Fanta right there. Gotta get your little snack. There you go.
Your choice of snack.
I think that's gonna be my choice. Mine.
This place actually has a little bit of everything. Gracias, ahí nos vemos en la otra.
Definitely recommended. We haven't been here in a while. We're actually in the area. We're gonna go pick up the BMW. We're like, hey, let's make a pit stop real quick. The address here is 11926. What's it again?
New Meadow Street.
New Meadow Street.
77064 La Rancherita.
They also serve micheladas here. The micheladas are really good.
En preparadas.
Yeah, they sell a little bit of everything, but I mean it's too early for. We're working right now.
All right,
back
to work.
Let's go pick up this BMW. See you later.
Hey, check that out.
Project.
Oh man, that's cool.
Oh, look at the Lincoln behind there. I don't know, we need one of those. I would like a big truck like that just to go cruising in.
Like Nico's is so cool.
Yeah, Nico's has a nice one.
That Coca-Cola truck, that's like one of my favorites.
All I would do something like that is basically put some wheels on there, where we do the whole suspension, put a good motor, transmission, good drivetrain in there, but leave the whole patina look on there. Just put some wheels on there, load everybody up, and let's go ride.
Yeah.
That'll be here, hopefully in the future. Is there any maintenance on these?
Not really, man. Just take care of it like you would paint. Ours has like a ceramic coating on it, so you'll notice when you spray the car, we kind of rinsed it off the other day, and you'll notice that it'll be right off of it. But take care of it like you would paint. If it's bird shits on it, clean it off. If you wax it, wax that. You know what I mean? It's all the splitters.
Seriously? Seriously? You want to call me out?
I didn't know it was you.
I actually don't drive it since then. I even went to go get a quote before I got back to the shop. Or
You did?
yeah, before I got
What
to
they
the
say,
shop.
like 1200?
1200. I think.
$100 just for the lip.
Yeah.
Alrighty, just like that, she's done. We have a 1996 Impala SS that came in. Customer wanted some Savinis. We did 22x9s in the front, 22x10 in the house in the rear. We did the matching steering wheel as well. We did a brush face, chrome lip. Let us know what y'all think about this setup if you're interested. Y'all don't forget 281-900-4089. Check it out. Hey, what you doing? Oh shit, it's just Jay. I thought they were trying to break into it. I thought they were trying to break into it. Hey, what's up with your truck though?
Which one?
That one.
We're on Stilo right now.
So we're gonna put some 26s on there or what?
Yeah,
Forge wheels.
I want some forge wheels, but got to wait, man.
Got too many projects.
Too many.
You're gonna show them the truck? They never seen this one.
Yep, come on, let's check it out.
Check it out. All right, we got Jay's truck right here. Jay, tell me a little bit about your truck.
Hey, man, say, man. Ace time.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nah, man, we got old cat eye, old fine. You know, it's what they say. What you say? It's not built. It's both on, right?
Yeah, it's both. Now it's a nice truck. I mean, I like it. Personally, I like it. I've been trying to convince Guy to let me do this to the white truck to Z. I've been trying to tell her like, hey, let me lift up Z, put some wheels on it, little shop truck.
Right.
But she don't want to.
Right. Yeah, but it's full both on 5.3. Force drop-in pistons. We got stage 3 tranny, 456 gears, positive traction. You know, I'm just holding on to get these forged wheels. I got a couple other things I want to do to it before I spend that money on the forged wheels.
Nah, you're good. But you got he got a couple trucks that anyway. He got a couple projects.
We holding on, just trying to hold on, just a little bit longer.
Yeah. Is the interior stock?
No, actually, I upgraded to Suburban front seat.
Suburban?
Yeah, Suburban, yeah. Got the Suburban seat, but with the Suburban, I got the unrated.
Okay then.
So I upgraded them before, you know. I got a color on the interior I want to go with, but man, these projects, they too much. I can't be like Greg and Gavin.
Nah, hell no.
Hey, they built a truck in 30 days.
Nah, I don't know about all that. It gets expensive, I'm not gonna lie. What's the wheel set? 2614s on 33s.
2614, and I want to be extra wide, so you know, we got 2-inch spaces added to it too.
Yeah, I told him I don't recommend it, but you know, Jay's
Right.
Jay's hard-headed.
Then we straight pipe, all the way back. You know, it's loud.
Oh, that thing is super loud. I bet you your neighbors hate you.
Yeah, they do. You know, we running a stage 4 BTR cam. Yo, just something ain't much of nothing, you know.
5'3" though, right?
Yeah, 5'3", you know, we get the job done. Hey, but if anybody want to sponsor me a eBay Turbo, we good. What's
eBay.
up?
All right. I mean, I guess if you're gonna rock it, you're gonna rock it.
Hey, man, hey, man, ain't Soundway, man, elite.
Yes,
you know
sir.
how we do. You know how we do, baby. We represent.
What you got, guy?
Nothing, admiring one of my favorite trucks around. I'm not a fan of blue and black together. You know I've never been, but this truck here just, man, it just does something different.
So should we get one?
I love one. I wouldn't fight you on this. You wouldn't even have to like say, Gab, like there's a truck. I'd be like, do it. Just surprise me. You can surprise me.
Okay. I mean, this color right here is just something else.
I'm telling you, I've never been a fan of this color combo. In clothes, in shoes, in anything. But the day that he bought it and he brought it to us, I fell in love with it.
Yeah.
I can honestly say, now this here was love at first sight. Sorry.
Customer came in, we did not do the drop originally. It's a 5.7 on a 4x4. He said his truck wasn't riding too good. I recommended him to go to the 4.6, being that he has the front axles. We're gonna go ahead and go an inch higher in the front, inch higher in the back. We're gonna do new bushings on there, new ball joints, freshen up the suspension. So y'all make sure to check this one out later. What y'all gotta say? This is Gamma, Mr. Gamma. If y'all need a trailer, we got Mr. Avenger here.
I need some cameras, an alarm system. Let me know.
He's actually the one that does all our cameras. I think he's here for a payment.
You need rolling tires, come see me.
Yeah.
A little bit of everything around here.
Everything's around here.
The Shelby is Felipe. Might keep it there. I don't know.
It's a lot of camera work.
A lot of camera work. This is Gamma. Don't get too close to the wheels. You see all the curb checks on them. Now Gamma got some nice ride too. Gamma has Lone Star trailer rentals. Got the 4Gs on there. So if y'all need any trailer rentals, y'all know to call Mr. Gamma, If y'all need some cameras, y'all make sure to hit up Felipe.
Come see us. Come get a wheel deal.
Come get that wheel deal. Jay, you gonna buy it? Then get away from it. So in the previous video, do y'all remember the race that we were gonna set up? It was an M4 versus a Corvette, JoJo's. Well, JoJo, I was telling them about the race that we had set up
Which one?
with the Corvette.
We ain't got that one. The boy shit dead.
Yeah, so the motor decided to leave the chat. It's gone.
It's gone. Blew a rod or dropped a valve. One of those.
It dropped something. There's oil everywhere. I think the Corvette got a little scared.
Hey, but we can still race. I can push it to the finish line.
So yeah, this one's gonna, the race that we talked about, we're gonna have to postpone it to a later date. The motor's gone.
Yeah.
So what's the plans next?
So I don't know what the plan. The plan is probably put a whole brand new crate engine. If not, just do a built 427. So we'll just see what we do next.
Something slight.
Something slight.
All right, I guess we'll keep you updated on this one.
Yep.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of glad because he would have beat us.
Shit, that nigga had me scared, but I held my own. Fuck that.
Are we gonna check your truck?
I hope so, but y'all have that other truck on the list.
You can go home now. I just said, Mr. Gamo, aren't you supposed to be at home right now? Where's your wife think you're at?
Working.
So this is the paint under some light. Outside you really couldn't tell. It's definitely a different blue. I don't know. Gab gave me permission. She said we could buy one of these. Bet.
We're here to discuss everything and come to an agreement and go over all our numbers. You don't have to do that. You can surprise me, Greg. I'm not gonna be mad.
The maroon one's on. I don't think it's gonna hurt.
I wouldn't even be mad, bro, but I like this setup right here. This color.
I think so.
The color combo is fire.
But man, I'm a fan of the white with the black, to be honest.
The white and the black.
Mr. J, what you eating right there? Oh, okay.
You gonna eat that? Ain't no chicken. Ain't no chicken.
I mean, I wasn't gonna say nothing. Yeah.
Almost forgot my safety glasses.
See what JoJo's got going on. Mind you, none of these guys are mechanics. They're just guessing at all this.
I'm just looking
So, I'm just saying, I'm telling him right now. Mind you, none of these guys are mechanics. We got a guy rents trailers, installs cameras, and he does hot shots.
And we got a broken down car.
But
They need a little bit of my service later on. Once you put it on neutral, they're gonna have to.
Yeah, exactly.
so actually, yeah, we need a trailer from Gamma, but we got the cameras from Avenger right here protecting the car.
There you go.
Which actually I need to probably charge your storage fees. But we'll talk about that off
We'll talk
camera.
about that later.
But yeah, everybody's around the car like they know what the hell they're talking about.
We're just trying to figure it out.
JoJo, what are you doing?
We're being Google mechanics.
We got to put it in neutral so that there's that little piece right there to make it easier.
Google Mechanics.
Yeah.
YouTube certified.
There you go.
Hey, can I borrow this?
Shit, you probably could have that one.
All right, I'm gonna keep that on video just so we know.
no.
I'm gonna keep that on video.
That'll cover the storage fee. That'll cover the storage fee.
Oh man.
You can take the exhaust, you can take everything. That's gonna cover all the storage fees.
All right, there you go.
We're in good shape.
JoJo, turn it on real quick so I can hear how it sounds.
You can't turn it on.
Yeah. But anyway,
But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. So
damn, JoJo, it's an expensive lesson,
yeah.
but on the bright side is at least I got some content.
There you go.
Carlos, what do we have going on?
We got the Dodge Charger. We put in the replica Hellcats, 20x9s all around with new tires.
Okay. Let's go see what Penny has going on over here. Penny, what you got going on?
We're good doing this F-150, lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rods, and alignment.
Cool. Jerry, you balancing over here?
Yeah, finishing balancing the kitty reps. We're gonna start on this. Removing the level kit on the 250. Oh, it's a 350. Two-wheel drive and gonna put some drop shackles in the rear.
Got you. Okay. All right, Bobby, talk to me.
Hello, man, Gabby. How you doing?
I'm good. What you got going on over here?
Just a kill switch.
Kill
Cutting
switch.
The starter, cutting the starter, rewiring the horn. You know, sometimes they like to cut it. It's easily accessible under the grill, so we're relocating it.
Okay.
Hiding it real quick.
And are we doing the remote or are we doing switch?
This is actually a controller that comes with a separate remote. So you'll be able to make it on the starter itself, by itself. Yeah, this controls the starter. Boom, boom.
There it is.
We'll be able to test it out right now if you want. Give me a few seconds.
We'll be right back.
Congratulations, Natalie. Our friends over at Mangonada Locas just bought this beautiful Mamalona edition. We called her, we're like, hey, bring it over, we're gonna take care of you. We wanted to gift you a remote kill switch. Guys, protect your investment. Also, we did a horn relocation. Usually the horn is right here where it's easy accessible, where they could just cut it, where you won't hear the truck at all. We went ahead and removed it and moved it where they don't have access to it. If y'all are interested in something like this, y'all call us 281-900-4089. Y'all check out her truck, see what y'all think. Alrighty, just knocked out this Mustang. We did 18s in the front, welds, S77s on the NT55 G2s. The rear we did 17-inch NT55 R2s. If y'all interested in a setup like this, y'all let us know.
We'll see you tomorrow. Be careful.
All right, that's a wrap. We just closed up shop. We're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Let us know what y'all think about this vlog. Y'all comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.